Chef Dawg. Here at Chef Dawg, we like to review food, and then we'll give you kind of our thoughts of it at the very end of it. So pay attention throughout the whole show, especially to the end, because sometimes it gets really exciting depending on what my kid and my wife think. But today is Stonemill Kitchen Homestyle Potato Salad from Costco. It's about 4 pounds, and it's about $8 or so. Can't remember exactly, but it was right around that. Love it. Took this camping, bunch of buddies. We pounded it, we hit it hard. That much right there fed 6 guys in one sitting. So 6 dudes, right there. That's how much you can get out of it. About half of it. We're gonna give you a little taste test here with my family and see what they think. So this is what it looks like.
They probably didn't like it if you only ate that much.
That's a lot, that's 6 dudes. Come here, you can see it. Okay, come here, you're gonna taste it. That's what it looks like. And I'm gonna give it another taste. I already know what I think. But now, with potato salad, I don't know about you, but salt and pepper is almost a must with me and potato salad. And I love pepper. We got pickles, onions, eggs, and I'm assuming that they use mayonnaise. So there you go. So I love it. I give it a big thumbs up. Goes a long ways. I'll have my family now taste some. So hon, come here.
I heard the word
here we are.
Onion.
Yeah, it has onions in it.
And then are those pickles or those celery?
It has pickles. And oh, celery. Yeah, little chunks of celery.
I don't.
Onions, pickle.
I'll taste the potato. Want to taste the potato?
Just give it a taste. You might like this one.
Like it.
Don't say that, she might love it. Try it.
Well, it's usually opposite of what I say, so maybe.
Oh, that's true. Good point.
That has too much like mustard in it.
So you think too much mustard?
Yeah.
She won't even try it. Come on,
That's too much
here,
mustard.
here, try it. If you don't like it, then you know what to do.
Are you serious?
What do you think, Brecklin? Eat it, you gotta eat it. Oh, we're going right to the garbage can.
Too much mustard for me.
When you got some on your hand. Well, go rinse your hand off. Okay, well, I like it. Now I make some homemade.
Yeah,
Do you like my homemade?
Well, the homemade is my dad's.
Well, got the recipe from an old man.
Yeah, and it's basic.
And it's super basic. It doesn't have a lot of stuff in it like this does. I like stuff in it. I like celery, I like onions.
Crunchy stuff, no.
I love crunchy
Shouldn't
stuff.
have onions in it, celery. Pickles, I'm okay. Pickle has a crunch, so I'm okay with pickles.
Oh, pickle's allowed to have a crunch because it's supposed
Well,
to.
because I like them.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, everybody, again, I hope you like my crazy family reviews. My daughter apparently doesn't like anything lately, and my wife doesn't like anything, obviously we know that has crunch or flavor. Unless it's a pickle.
Yeah, it doesn't.
But for a quick side dish, I do like it. I'm gonna give this one, yeah, I'm in this range because my homemade is actually like that. But for you know, quick meal, family, friends, get together, it's a good side. And again, for the cost, you can feed a lot of people. Well, there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed watching Chef Dawg again. Please subscribe, share, do all those fun things that every single YouTube channel asks you to do, right? We're gonna keep asking, but we appreciate your support and watch again. Have a good one. See ya.